Hey, y'all. It's good. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. I got a pine cone out here for longevity. Stability. Somebody wants longevity and stability in a relationship during the holidays. Someone's arguing over you. A lover. An ex is burdened. Somebody's burdened by you, collective. They think you the queen of cups. They still love you. And whoever they're dealing with knows it. Whoever they're dealing with knows it. Queen of Cups. Y'all not together. This person's been crying over spilled milk. Knight of Swords. Yeah, they've been arguing. Every time somebody mentions your name or somebody keep throwing you up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Somebody is trying to change something. Ace of Swords because they got clarity. It's a Queen of Wands. Somebody that they're sleeping with. They want to come back and sleep with you, collective. This Queen of Wands know this. They know that they having community. I wanted to say they haven't been communicating with you, but this person feels like they are communicating with you because they're still in love with you, collective. Show us. They want to come back. Look, Ace and Ace. This is a new beginning. Somebody want to invest in something long-term and stable with you, collective. Show me. Thank you. Ooh, that's too many. I can't take them, but I gotta count. They fell on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 999 is increased, extreme strength. Somebody's been strengthened because they want a happy life. Somebody has been defending you, collective. They've been defending you. Now, if my beau or my boo, take it how it resonates, has been defending their ex, every time I mention them, it would be on and popping. This is a pentacle. I gotta take this. This is a conversation. Hold on. No. This is protection. 444 protection. The 9 of Pentacles. The 9 of Cups. Look at these 9s coming out. Something to do with September or either your birthday. The 2 of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. This King of Pentacles is taken. Oh, they putting it on a ram. They trying to offer something to an Aries, maybe? I thought he was taking it off of the ram. So he either give it or take it. But it's like secretly. because they managing a happy life, stability, and longevity. I can't make it up. It is what it is. But this is coming back. Somebody has gotten enlightened. The grass wasn't greener on the other side. A page of swords. They want communication. They want... It's like... They're going through conflict. This is gossip. This is gossip. And it goes here, defending you. Defending you from gossip. Or defending you from someone gossiping about you. Show me. 2. It's balancing. Judgment. And the Hierophant. Oh, they teaching somebody a lesson. They made a decision. They made a... They holding back now. And they trying to get away. They trying to leave something. They don't want it no more. They don't want this no more. They managing to get away. And coming to give somebody something. And somebody's burdened by it. Stressed out. Depressed. Who is this? Wow. Damn. The queen. This is the Empress out here, okay? Love. Somebody loves everything about you. The 3 of Wands is in reverse. They no longer want to wait. They're going to take some type of action. A Knight of Wands to come forward. And the Empress. No, this is the Tower. What? Hold on. This Emperor is different. It's in reverse. This Emperor is in reverse. Hold on here, y'all. This Emperor is in reverse. Something has stopped. Ooh. This Emperor went through a tower. And no longer, though. Look. Now they got some type of leadership. They making plans. They setting goals. Now let's read this line right here. Hold on, y'all. And then I need 2 more cards. There's a male energy that's coming forward. They're taking action because they're not going to wait any longer. They made a decision because they got some type of clarity. And it's like they're getting some type of independence. They miss you very much. They miss you. They want to offer you something that they didn't offer you in the past. They think you satisfied without them, though. Because they're not. They're not satisfied without you. This was a lesson. This person has learned a lesson. Because they went through a tower. A towering moment, some sudden change that it's like awakening. But look at the disaster. They don't have stability. And they don't have longevity. I just saying the 3 little pigs. One built their house of straw. One built their house of twigs or something like that. What is it? One built their house of straw. One built their house, and the last one built their house of bricks. This is what they want, a house of bricks with you. Now they holding back from whoever is gossiping and defending you. I heard your honor. Now, I don't know if that's court or... Hold on before we get to it. Let's find out. Tell us about your honor. Is it collector's honor or is it some type of legal situation? Show us, please. There it is. The Five of Swords. It's an argument. This is a battle. Oh, I just seen a monitoring spirit just came through here. I'm not supposed to tell you that, but I told you anyway. Yeah, this is a battle. This person has become victorious in this Five of Swords. This was an argument. Conflict. I feel like somebody's frustrated though. They're frustrated. They're fed up. That's why. Look at this. It's like a gnat. This gnat is aggravating. It's frustrated. I told you. They can't take it no more. That's why they fighting back and defending you though. And you ain't even, I don't even think you're even on the scene. That's why this Empress came out. The Queen of Chess is the whole key to the argument. Okay, and this is, yeah, they're leaving it. They're leaving what no longer serves them behind. They're going to be able to manage something to offer you some kind of financial stability. Show me two more, please. Give us an outcome, please, on this situation. Some type of advice. This person missed you. And everybody knows it. And the community, that's what it was. There you go, collective. The Empress. The Empress. And the Page of Pentacles. It's like you want this offer. You may accept this offer. Come on, collective. Oh my goodness. This offer that this Knight of Pentacles is coming towards you with, they're going to take this action and you're going to accept this offer. Show me more. Oh my God. They said they can't wait for you any longer and they tired of what they're going through. No. Life is too short, I just heard. You got to turn lemons into lemonade. Knight of Pentacles. I told you this was a Knight of Pentacles. I thought I had seen the Knight of Pentacles, but here he goes. Coming towards you. Giving you an offer. And you're going to accept it. A Page of Pentacles. Oh, I thought it was a knight and it was a page. Okay, hold on now. Because that changes. This page is like a confession about money. Money concerns. Maybe they're tied. This page has some kind of money concerns, but they're still going to come and offer you something, and you're going to accept the offer. Ooh, this is a new beginning. A new financial beginning. Somebody got an opportunity that they're getting ready to create or accept. Show me. There's a new opportunity after being trapped. Feeling trapped. Somebody healed. They no longer blindfolded to the truth. And these lies had kept them bound. So I'm feeling now like in the beginning, they allowed somebody to lie on you. They allowed somebody to talk bad about you. They didn't say anything. They didn't say anything in the beginning. And it just kept escalating, one lie after another, after another, after another. But now it caused a tower. And whatever they were doing, whatever situation they were in, it caused a tower, a sudden change. And this person has awakening from, it feels like if I am here with you, why are you talking about the collective? You haven't seen the collective, you haven't heard from the collective. Why are you so bothered by the collective? And the reason why this person is so bothered by you, collective, is because this person is still in love with you. They can sense it, they can feel it. A woman has intuition. So evidently this is a man that's in love with you, a woman. You must be a woman, a female energy. And they're in their male energy, taking how it resonates. This person is coming down, a king of swords. They're gonna do all the talking. Because they feel like you're the complete package. You make them happy. This is a marriage. That's why I said you're gonna accept it. You want this stability and what? Longevity and stability. That's the read. Like, share, and boop, boop, boop. Subscribe. Leave a comment. I hope this helps. Leave a comment. The world is on the bottom of the deck. That's completion, a rebirth, new opportunity. Luck awaits you. This is a new beginning. That's the read.